deposit refund scheme, which is envisaged by the government to roll out on the 1st of April 2026. We are asking them to scrap that scheme because we feel that not much thought has been gone out in putting this scheme together, because no consultations have taken place, especially with the largest stakeholder, which is the consumer. They are going to burden the consumer by charging a deposit on every consumer item that you purchase, from 2 rupees to 10 rupees and maybe even more. And once you use that product, they are saying that you need to go and put it in some machines that they are going to put around in Goa. And once you put it in the machine, you will get your deposit refund. But they are actually portraying it by misrepresenting and saying that you will get money for your waste. But that is not the case. You will get only your refund amount of the deposit that you have paid. So the recycle value, you will not get money for that. So once you go to deposit this in the machine, they will not give you the cash. They will ask you for your bank details and your phone numbers and names and everything. So this is I feel that this is another scam to get details out of people for the bank account. So we are saying this is a very bad scheme. Even the elected panchayat members or the municipal councillor have no idea about this deposit refund scheme, because we have been approaching our own areas and asking them whether they know anything about it, and they don't know anything about it. So we were creating awareness here. We have just given a memorandum to the Department of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, saying that if they put this in place, then we will file cases under the Consumer Protection Act, and also as per the package commodity rules of the legal metrology rules, you cannot charge anything over MRP. So I don't know under what act or rules they are going to be putting these stickers with QR codes. So we are saying scrap this policy, think about it, and take everyone into consideration, and then only put something in place.
From the consumer's perspective, what can they do?
See, there are many things in place. You have to strengthen those under waste management. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so much money has been spent. Now the government has spent 90 crores for 5 years for some agency to clear the beach. Now they are talking about broken bottles on the beach. I'm saying, why is there broken bottles on the beach when you have spent 90 crores to an agency to clean the beach? So there should be no broken bottles on the beach, So all of these, is kind of like countering something that is already in place. There are committees in place to take away the plastic bags which are under 50 microns. But if you actually look at what is littering the streets of Goa, are these kind of items, not the items that they are thinking of putting QR codes on. Because those items are being collected either by the kabaddi walas or people like us who are recycling our garbage. So we will not get any value for our recyclables. So we're saying just scrap this thing, and even single-use plastics. Government departments themselves are using single-use plastic, even though there is a ban on it. So strengthen those things, and you will not have garbage on the roads. Diapers are another big thing. You're doing nothing about diapers.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.